Welcome to our video series. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're uncovering the keys to building a powerful network in the maintenance profession and how you can leverage it to boost your career. You'll learn about the importance of joining professional organizations, the role of continuing education, and the power of social media in networking. So, if you're a part of a maintenance or operations team, buckle up and let's get started. Let's dive into how you can build a powerful network as a maintenance professional. One of the best ways to do this is by joining a professional organization. There are quite a few you can choose from, such as the International Facilities Management Association or the Society of Maintenance and Reliability Professionals. You can also opt for more targeted organizations like the Association of Physical Plant Administrators, which focuses on non-higher education buildings like schools, libraries, and museums. Here's a fun fact for you. According to Smartsheet, the most common way to advance in the maintenance profession is through effective networking. So let's explore how you can leverage these associations to network effectively. Associations like the International Facilities Management Association are a fantastic platform to network with maintenance professionals at all levels. You can meet others through continuing education and certification programs, at industry conferences, and by working on association initiatives. This not only provides an opportunity to showcase your skills and expertise to others outside your company, but also helps you gain additional knowledge that you can apply in your current or future roles. And here's another interesting piece of information. Did you know that referrals account for over 40% of all hires? It's all about who you know. Now let's talk about another avenue for networking: education. Continuing your education is a great way to advance in your maintenance professional career. Participating in local technical college evening programs not only gives you the program's knowledge, but also connects you to another group of teachers, professionals, and students. Keeping in touch with these people over the years means an expanded network for you moving forward. It's also important to keep up to date with the rapidly changing facilities management technologies. This will not only expand your knowledge, but also your network of individuals in the area of technology, helping you make career jumps quickly. Now, let's not forget about social media. Platforms like LinkedIn are a goldmine for networking opportunities. You can easily connect with other professionals in the industry and tap into the shared knowledge that's often available through online industry conversations. Not to mention, you can also find job opportunities on social media. So, there you have it. By joining professional associations, continuing your education, and leveraging social media, you can build a strong network that can significantly boost your career as a maintenance professional. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. If you want to learn more about how UpKeep can help you, visit our website at upkeep.com. Remember, your network is your net worth. Keep building, keep learning, and keep growing.